Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore retention KPIs with Mixpanel, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Mixpanel and log in to your account. Navigate to the retention tab in the main dashboard. Select the project you want to analyze. Choose the specific cohort you are interested in. Set the time frame for your retention analysis. Select the event you want to measure retention for. Use the filters to refine your data, such as by user properties or event properties. Review the retention chart that appears on the screen. Analyze the data to identify trends in user behavior over time. Look for any significant drop-offs in retention rates. Adjust your strategies based on the insights gained from the data. Consider segmenting your users further to gain deeper insights. Create targeted campaigns to re-engage users who dropped off. Set measurable goals for your retention KPIs. Monitor the results of your campaigns in real time. Utilize A/B testing to refine your approach if necessary. Regularly review and update your retention strategies based on ongoing data. Stay informed on best practices in user retention to continuously improve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.